Okay guys, so this is it, the Google Pixel 9 Pro. And I took this phone because I was using, wait, let me get it. I was using this is the OnePlus 7T, and it's an older phone, and it doesn't get any updates anymore. So I was using this for a while. And why was I using this for a while? Because the Samsung Flip 4 I got broke and I couldn't use it, so I had to fall back on this one. This was the only one I have, and this was a good phone, but yeah, it doesn't get updates anymore. So I went for the Google Pixel. I did my research online and went for the Google Pixel. So here it is. I just got it in. Sorry for the stains. I don't know what they did with it, but I got it in, and yeah, let's go for the unboxing. So I heard that this is a simple unboxing this year, and this is it. It's the Obsidian, I think. But yeah, you can see this is an recycled box. So let's go and open it up. I can't wait to open it up. Slide this out. This over here. It's just a simple box, nothing special. And there it is. The Pixel 9 Pro. In here, ooh, jeez, we have some booklets. SIM ejector tool. And a large book, which we are probably not gonna read. So let's put that aside and get the Pixel out of this box. Oh. USB-C to USB-C cable. And that's all that's in the box. We heard we got the fingerprints, the faster fingerprint sensor. I don't know what it is, but look at this. This is it. Okay, let's get this off. Oh. I always like to take off the things, but this is just a piece of paper, so I can rip it off. And there it is. Let me see, how does it feel? It feels nice. Feels nice. And it's smaller than I thought it was gonna be. So let's have a look around. Volume buttons, on off button. Nice and clicky. The SIM ejector tool. Let me see, why does it focus? Why is it focusing? Yeah, there you have it. speaker over here, USB-C, and the card slot. These are the power button and volume button. Another microphone here, and I don't know what this is. If anybody knows what this is, please tell me. And the other side has got nothing except for this ugly, which I'm seeing now. This is mad ugly. What the hell? Why did I? Is it a sticker? No, you can't get it off. This is gonna stay. Okay, as you guys know, I rock my phones without a case, and this is gonna be the same for the Pixel. I'm gonna rock it without a case. And yeah, this is the camera array, and all of this goodness we're gonna try out. So let's turn this bad boy on, and yeah, I don't know, let's look what we got over here, guys. This was the unboxing. It was a simple unboxing. Here you got the cable, this is it, this is what we get. And yeah, this was the unboxing of the Google Pixel 9 Pro. I'm gonna set this up and I'll give you a full review in the days to come. Okay guys, peace.